Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lesson 11, Campaign Types, Budget, and Reach. In this lesson, we will discuss different campaign types in pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, how to set budgets for your campaigns, and how to maximize your reach within your budget constraints. 1. Campaign types. Search campaigns, text ads that appear in search engine results when users search for keywords related to your products or services. Display campaigns, image or text ads that appear on websites within the Google Display Network, targeting users based on their interests or browsing behavior. Video campaigns, ads that appear before, during, or after YouTube videos, targeting users based on their demographics, interests, or online behavior. Shopping campaigns, ads that showcase your products with images and prices, targeting users who are actively searching for products to buy. 2. Setting budgets. Determine your goals, define your advertising goals, whether it's driving website traffic, increasing sales, or generating leads. Calculate your budget, calculate how much you are willing to spend on advertising based on your goals and expected return on investment, ROI. Allocate your budget across different campaigns. And ad groups based on their performance and importance to your overall goals. Monitor and adjust, regularly monitor your campaign performance and adjust your budget allocation as needed to maximize results. 3. Maximizing reach. Targeting options, use advanced targeting options such as demographics, interests, and behavior to reach your target audience more effectively. Ad scheduling, schedule your ads to appear at times when your target audience is most likely to be online and receptive to your message. Geographic targeting, target your ads to specific geographic locations to reach users in your target market. Device targeting, adjust your bids and ad copy based on the device that users are using to improve ad relevance and performance. 4. Budgeting tips. Start small, begin with a conservative budget and gradually increase it as you gain more insights into your campaign performance. Monitor performance, regularly monitor your campaigns to identify areas where you can optimize your budget for better results. Test different strategies, experiment with different bidding strategies, targeting options, and ad formats to find the best approach for your campaign. By understanding the different campaign types, setting appropriate budgets, and maximizing your reach, you can create more effective PPC campaigns that drive better results for your business.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.